Rahim. Today we study the chapter number 20 of the second year biology, and today topic is double helical structure of DNA, Watson-Crick model. Learning informally of Franklin's result before they were published in 1953. James Watson and Francis Crick, two young researchers in the University of Cambridge, quickly worked out a likely structure of a DNA molecule which we know was substantially correct. They proposed that molecule is a simple double helix with the bases of two strands pointed inward towards each other, forming base pair. In their model, base pair always consists of purines which are larger pointing towards the pyrimidine which are smaller, keeping the diameter of the molecule a constant 2 nanometer. Because hydrogen bonds exist between the bases in the base pair, the double helix is stabilized as a duplex DNA molecule composed of two anti-parallel strands, one chain running 3' to 5' and the other 5' to 3'. The base pairs are planar, flat and stacked 0.34 nanometer apart as a result of the hydrophobic interactions contributing to the overall stability of the molecule. In the double helix, adenine forms the two hydrogen bonds with the thymine, while guanine forms the three hydrogen bond with the cytosine. Adenine will not form proper hydrogen bond with the cytosine, and guanine will not form hydrogen bonds with the thymine. Consequently, adenine and the thymine will always occur in the same proportion in any DNA molecule, as well guanine and cytosine because of this base pairing. Thanks for watching.